Hello dear friends, welcome to Certify Me YouTube channel. In this video, let's see AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner practice questions. Without wasting the time, let's get started. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe. So our first question will be, a company manages a company manages global applications that require static IP addresses. Which AWS service would enable the company to improve the availability and performance of its applications? Option A, Amazon CloudFront. Option B, AWS Global Accelerator. Option C, Amazon S3 Transfer Acceleration. Option D, Amazon API Gateway. Pause the video and think about the answer. So the correct answer is AWS Global Accelerator. Option B. The reason is AWS Global Accelerator provides static IP addresses and improves the availability and performance of your applications by directing traffic to the optimal endpoint based on health, client location, and policies you configure. Next question. A company has an application workload that is mostly consistent. However, the workload requires access to additional capacity during unpredictable peaks in demand. The workload must run for 1 year and cannot be interrupted. Which purchasing option will meet these requirements most cost effectively? Option A, use spot instances for the entire workload. Option B, use on-demand instances for the entire workload. Option C, use on-demand instances for consistent baseline compute capacity. Use spot instances for additional burst capacity. Option D, use compute savings plans for consistent baseline compute capacity. Use on-demand instances for additional burst capacity. So first one is the wrong option and second one is also not right. Third one also no. So the correct answer is option D. Use compute savings purchase sorry use compute savings plans for consistent baseline compute capacity. Use on-demand instances for additional burst capacity because compute savings plans offers significant savings for consistent usage while on-demand instances provide the flexibility to the handle unpredictable peaks without interruption. Next question. A company is designing an identity access management solution for an application. The company wants users to be able to use their social media, email, or online shopping accounts to access the application. Which AWS service provides this functionality? Option A, AWS IAM Identity Center. Option B, AWS Config. Option C, Amazon Cognito. Option D, AWS Identity and Access Management. So option 1 is wrong and option B is also wrong answers. Option D is also wrong. So the correct answer is option C, Amazon Cognito, because Amazon Cognito allows users to sign in through social identity providers like Facebook, Google, and Amazon, as well as through enterprise identity providers via SAML 2.0. Next question. A company wants to automate infrastructure deployment by using infrastructure as a code. The company wants to scale production stacks so the stacks can be deployed in multiple AWS region. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? Option A, Amazon CloudWatch. Option B, AWS Config. Option C, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option D, AWS Cloud Formation. So correct answer for this question is option D, AWS Cloud Formation, because AWS Cloud Formation allows you to model, provision, and manage AWS and third party resources by treating infrastructure as a code, enabling you to scale and deploy stacks across multiple regions. Next question. Which AWS well architected framework pillar focuses on structured and streamlined allocation of computing resources? Option A, reliability. Option B, operational excellence. Option C, performance efficiency. Option D, sustainability. So the correct answer is performance efficiency, because the performance efficiency pillar focuses on using computing resources efficiently to meet system requirements and to maintain that efficiency as demand changes and technologies evolve. Next question. A company wants to track tags, buckets, and prefixes for its Amazon 53 objects. Which 53 feature will meet this requirement? Option A, 53 inventory report. Option B, 53 lifecycle. Option C, 53 versioning. Option D, 53 ACLS. So the correct answer is option A, 53 inventory report, because S3 inventory provides a flat file list of your objects and their metadata, which can be used to track tags, buckets, and prefixes. Next question. Which benefits does AWS Business Support provide? Select two options. Option A, assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week through live chat or a phone call. Option B, support from a dedicated AWS technical account manager. Option C, an unlimited number of cases and contacts. Option D, 15-minute response time for interruption of production systems. Option E, annual operational reviews with AWS Solutions Architects. Pause the video and think about the answer and let me know in the answer. Next question. Which task is the responsibility of the customer according to the AWS shared responsibility model? Option A, maintain the security of the hardware that runs Amazon EC2 instances. Option B, patch the guest operating system of Amazon EC2 instances. Option C, protect the security of the AWS global infrastructure. Option D, patch Amazon RDS software. So the right answer is option B, patch the guest operating system of Amazon EC2 instances, because according to the AWS shared responsibility model, customers are responsible for managing and patching the guest operating system and applications on their EC2 instances. Next question. Which tasks are the customer's responsibility in the AWS cloud? Select two options. Option A, configure VPC subnets. Option B, configure security groups for Amazon EC2 instances. Option C, manage and maintain AWS regions. Option D, patch and maintain Amazon CloudFront. Option E, patch the operating system in Amazon DynamoDB. The right answer is option A, configure VPC subnets, and option B, configure security groups for Amazon EC2 instances, because customers are responsible for configuring VPC subnets and security groups to control network access to their resources. And the last question is, which AWS service or feature will meet the, sorry which AWS service or feature can be used to create a virtual network that is private and isolated in the AWS cloud? Option A, AWS VPN. Option B, AWS regions. Option C, availability zones. Option D, Amazon virtual private cloud, that is Amazon VPC. The correct answer is option D, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud VPC, because Amazon VPC allows you to create a private, isolated network within the AWS cloud, providing complete control over your virtual networking environment. Thank you so much for watching this video.